People I just can't seem to keep up, but for you, my fellow tubers, I shall try. So where should I start? Andrew Holness, in a statement on Wednesday, said that he had met with the Minister of Education, Youth and Information, Senator Ruel Reid, regarding allegations in the public domain. Something in my mind that could have been so damning for the administration, I am guessing that Andrew had to act quickly. I have requested and received the resignation of Minister Ruel Reid, says Prime Minister Andrew Holness in a post on Twitter. The post indicated that the Minister Ruel Reid will also resign from Senate. The post went on to say that the minister's resignation will ensure that any investigation into the matter of concern will not be in any way impeded by his presence or oversight in the ministry. Whilst the Prime Minister did not give specific, there are widespread speculation since the start of the week that Ruel was in trouble. The leader of the opposition, the People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, in a statement expresses concerns that public funds were being misused by Reid Education Ministry and the Caribbean Maritime University, and had asked the Auditor General, Pamela Moores-Ellis, to investigate the matter. Philip is alleging that the opposition knew about the nepotism and corruption at CMU and how funds were being allocated from the Hartress NTA to the Ministry of Career Advancement Program. He also revealed that politically connected persons have been employed as advisors. Sound familiar, anyone? So I suspect this is why Holness said this in Parliament recently.
Governance, Mr. Speaker, is of macro-critical importance, meaning that its effects are so far-reaching, it extends beyond the boardroom of the poorly run institution to have national impact.
Among the other allegations making the rounds on social media is what you would call the big reveal. Persons are saying that the wife of Ruel Reid is a consultant at CMU and hardly even visits, but is collecting a hefty salary. These are some of the allegations making the rounds on social media, and of course I shall certainly be giving you the update as it comes along. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more.